Hey guys, I received a request asking if I could incorporate color into my semicircle pattern. I figured out a way to do this and I'm going to share it with you guys today. Using the inside left strand as your filler cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots working to the right. Use a lark's head knot and attach your filler cord to your dowel. Attach another piece of rope to your filler cord using a cow hitch knot. This knot is the reverse of a lark's head knot. Attach 5 pieces of colored rope to the cord on the left using cow hitch knots. A few pieces of my colored rope are leftover scraps from another project. If you are creating this pattern, you will need to cut your colored rope longer than I have. My recommendation is to cut your rope 4 to 8 times the desired length of your finished product. Use a lark's head knot and attach your filler cord to your dowel. Attach one more piece of colored rope on the right using a cow hitch knot. We will now create another row of double half hitch knots with the natural cord. If you are interested in adding more colors into your work, you could do so using the same method as we did when we added the yellow rope. Just keep in mind that the more colors you add, the more rope will be left hanging from the back of your work. Using the right strand as your filler cord, tie a row of double half hitch knots. Push the ends of the colored rope to the back of your work and tie the knots with the natural rope. We will bring the colored rope back to the front of our work when we tie the next row of knots. Attach 2 pieces of natural rope to your filler cord using cow hitch knots. Use a lark's head knot and attach your filler cord to your dowel. Attach one more piece of natural rope to your filler cord using a cow hitch knot. Using the left strand as your filler cord, tie a row of double half hitch knots with your colored rope, adding in a few cow hitch knots when necessary. Push the natural rope to the back of your work. Use a lark's head knot and attach your filler cord to your dowel. Attach one more strand of colored rope using a cow hitch knot. Repeat this process until you've created a semicircle of your desired length. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to tag me on Instagram at LotsOfKnotsCanada if you've used one of my tutorials, and I'll repost in my stories or on my feed. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.